All right, we're going to go ahead and set everything up. I'm going to show you how to turn on this and turn on this so it works. All right, first of all, we're going to go ahead and pull our control sticks out. We're going to go ahead and get those plugged in just to get that out of the way. They're on the bottom here. And just pull them out, screw them in, and Bob's your uncle. Then next, we're going to put our iPhone on here. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to turn it over, and we're going to pull out the lightning cable, which is going to be on this side here. All right, so it's loose. Then I'm going to flip it over to the right side like that, okay? Then I'm going to get my iPhone. I'm going to slide it in there like this. And then I'm just going to pull this back, let it set in there. And then we've got to make sure that our port's on the right side. We're going to take our lightning connector. We're going to stick it inside there, just like that. And then we got to turn our phone on. Okay, we're on. I'm on the page of the screen that's got the app. I'm going to click that. It's going to open up the app. And bam, Bob's your uncle. So we're ready to go there. Now let's set that down. We're going to come over to our drone. Okay, so we're going to pull our drone out. We're going to open up the top wings, or arms, I guess. And these are propellers. They're not really wings. Then we're going to flip it over. And the bottom here, the way you open this up is you got to pull it this way. See how it slides out like that? Bam, done. And then you want to get your gimbal protector off very gently because it'll break very easily. And that baby's ready to go. All right, so now what we're going to do to get this thing started and rolling, what we're going to do first is we're going to come over here. We're going to press on this one time, and then we're going to press and hold. And then we should see this bouncing back and forth. So there's the one press, and now here comes our press and hold. You're going to hear that noise. And then we're just going to set that down. Then we're going to come to our drone. You want to make sure that you have a battery in your drone. So we're going to go ahead and put this battery in. And the way it goes in is you got your contact here, contact there. So it's got to go with this thing facing up to the top of the drone. Slide it down and just give it a little smush. Bam. And make sure you got a card in there if you're going to videotape. All right, so now we've got this rolling. Now all we got to do is press this once. And then we're going to press and hold. See, it's doing some stuff. See that gimbal moving? Now we can let go. Now, we should see the camera on the drone activate over here. Bam. Now we're ready to go. See how it says, go fly? So let's just set the drone down. And I'm going to click this. We're not going to fly. But what it's going to do, it's going to let us see what the camera is on the drone is seeing. So you can see, look, it's looking at me. It's looking around the room. And it's ready to go. Now all we got to do is go somewhere where it's safe because I'm in the bedroom. All right, that's it. Look, here we go. Let's see if it sees me. There's the camera looking right at me. And that's how you do it. All right. And then now you're ready to go ahead and fly this thing somewhere. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your DJI Mini 2 drone. Peace out.